In this video, you'll learn how to add an icon in text using Notion. This process will enhance your text by visually representing your ideas or sections with icons. By the end of this tutorial, you will have successfully integrated icons into your Notion text. Begin by navigating to the Notion website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Notion. Ensure you have a stable internet connection, as this will help in loading the page quickly. Once the page is fully loaded, you'll be greeted with the Notion interface. Next, locate and click on the title of a new page. This could be a blank page or an existing one where you want to add the icon. That clicking on the page title will allow you to start editing the content. Ensure that you have sufficient storage space in your Notion account to accommodate any changes you plan to make. After that, type in the text that you wish to have alongside the icon. This could be a heading, a note, or any relevant information. Once you have entered your text, it is important to click on a blank space in the page. This action will help in ensuring that the text is saved and ready for further modifications. Then proceed to type in the demo text where you want the icon to appear. This text serves as a placeholder and can be modified later. Clicking on another blank space after this step will help you confirm that your text. Now click on the demo text you just created. This will allow you to edit it further. It is essential to ensure that your cursor is positioned correctly, as this will affect where the icon will be inserted. Type in a colon followed by the letter E to initiate the icon selection process. Once you type a list of icon options will appear. Browse through the icons presented to you. Selecting the right icon can add significant visual appeal to your text. Take your time to choose an icon that best fits the context of your text. After you've found the desired icon, click on it to add it to your text. The selected icon will now appear alongside your previously typed text. This visual addition can make your content more engaging and easier to navigate. Next, click on the title of the page again, where you wish to add another icon. Repeat the earlier steps by typing E once more. This will allow you to add another icon to the title text, enhancing the overall aesthetic of your Notion page. Finally, just as before, choose the icon that you want used for the title. This will finalize the addition of icons in your Notion text. Make sure to save your changes or refresh the page to confirm that the icons are displayed correctly. That wraps up today's guide on adding icons in text within Notion. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.